Hello friends, welcome back to CAD Practice. Today we are going to construct a 3D CAD model in NX software and learn the NX basic commands. So let's get started. Go to File, go to New. Now we are going to construct a new model. The unit here will be in millimeter. Okay. Now press OK. Now go to Sketch and we'll select the YZ plane. Go to Vector Selection and select this vector. Here we are going to flip the direction towards front. Go to specify point and select the center point. Now press OK. Now here take the rectangle command. We are going to take 2-point rectangle. Select the center point. Make one rectangle like this. And from this end make one rectangle like this. Exit. Now go to rapid dimensions. Here we will define this total distance as 45 mm and the other dimension will be this total distance as 62 mm. Okay. Now here the width will be of 12 mm and this will be also 12 mm. Okay. Now exit. Now here you can see the sketch is fully constrained. We also always work in a fully constrained sketch. Now finish sketch. Go to extrude. Select this profile. Select this profile and select this profile. Now here we will change it to symmetric value. We want this sketch as a center point. So we will give a symmetric value of 110 by 2. So the total distance here will be of 110. Okay. Apply and exit. Now here go to model 1. Here we have constructed this outer profile. Now we are going to make this fillet profiles or the edge blend. Then we are going to make these counter bores. Go to model 2. Now here select the sketch and here you will find a hide option. Click on hide to hide the sketch. Now go to edge blend and here we are going to take a edge blend radius of 12 mm. Okay, select this edge, this and this. All 4 corners we have selected. Press OK. Okay. Now we are going to make the counter bore. So go to hole command. Okay, and here we are going to select the general hole and here we are going to take counter bore. Now the dimension of counter bore I have already taken, so the software has saved the dimensions. The C bore dimension will be 12, the depth of C bore will be 6 and the bottom dia will be of 6 and depth will be 25 mm. Okay. Now here we have not constructed any sketch for this hole. So if I drag the cursor, I will see the center point of this radius. Okay. So I will place all the holes over this. Similarly, I will place it here and for this I will place it here and for this I will place it here. Okay. Now press OK. So for hole command we didn't need any sort of sketch. So all the holes are been created. Now go to model 1. We have this middle profile. So to make this middle profile, go to model 2. Here go to sketch. Select this face and here flip the direction. Go to vector. Select this horizontal vector, the x-axis. Select this axis and select this point. Okay. This complete phenomena we have to do in NX12. I am currently using NX12 model. So now here go to the profile command. We will make the rough profile first. First we will start with the center line. Okay, now here escape once again, select this line and here make it a reference geometry. Okay, go to the profile command once again, select this top and make the profile like this. Okay, and here drag it down like this here and join it till here. Okay, escape. Now exit from this command. Now here go to the rapid dimensions, select this point and select the center point. Here the dimension will be of 30 mm and this edge dimension from center point will be at 15 mm. Okay, and this bottom, this edge from center line will be at 11 mm. Okay, now we have defined the dimensions. Now here when I zoom in, give this dimension here also as 10 mm. Okay, now close geometry. Now we have constructed this profile. Here go to circle command, select the center point, make a circle here of diameter 30 mm and escape. Exit. Now from here we are going to trim the extra profiles. Click on quick trim, trim this profile, okay, and close. Now I want same profile other side as well. So from here I am going to select the mirror profile. So for the mirror profile we will select this. Okay, this is the mirror profile. Click mirror curves, select this curve, select this profile, this and this bottom. Now go to select center line and select the center line. Okay, now this is the profile which we want to extrude. Finish sketch, go to extrude, select this profile and here give the distance as 23 mm. Okay, this will be remain 0 and here we will take unite. So it will unite with this body. Press OK. Okay, now select the sketch and hide this sketch. Now here we want to give a cut profile at this front face. Go to sketch, select this front face, flip it 2 times to the front, go to vector selection, select this horizontal vector. For point selection, select this point. Okay, now here go to the rectangle command. We are going to select 2-point rectangle and make a rectangle here. Exit, go to rapid dimensions, define the width here as 60 mm. Okay, and the height of this rectangle here will be of 6 mm. Close. Now here escape. Now click C for constraints. Now here we are going to take coincident. Select the midpoint of this rectangle and select the midpoint of the complete profile. Okay, close. Now here you can see the sketch is fully constrained. Now finish sketch. Here go to extrude, select this profile and here flip the direction and here we will take subtract. Okay, so if you drag this outside, so it will be subtracted completely. Press OK. So this will be a through cut. Okay, select this profile, hide this. Now go to edge blend and here take a radius of 2 mm. Select this edge, select this, rotate, select this and select this bottom. Okay, So it is showing the incorrect preview. When I see the preview again, so this will look like this, like this as well. Okay, now press OK. So this will be the profile. Okay, so this was a basic tutorial to how to construct a 3D part in NXCAD or Unigraphics software. I hope you like the video. If you do that, please do hit like and subscribe the channel for more such videos. Thank you.